This is going to be a video tutorial on how to safely remove the weather widget in Windows 10. In a recent update, they added this little weather widget down here in the taskbar, and if you decide you don't want that there, all you have to do is either right click on the weather widget, or you could just right click on the taskbar. Either way works the same. Go up to News and Interests and down to Turn Off. Click on Turn Off, and now it's gone. And you can re-add it easily too by the same steps. Just right click on your taskbar, go up to News and Interests, and Show Icon and Text. And now it's back on. If you decide that this is taking up too much room, but you kind of still want to leave it there, you could make it to where only the icon appears down here. Right click on your taskbar, go up to News and Interests, and go to Show Icon Only. And now it's the same thing, it's just the icon appears. If you left click on it, you get the weather and the stocks and the sports and the traffic, local news stories, all that. But very, very simple to do. All you got to do is right click on your taskbar, go up to News and Interests, and then choose either Turn Off, Show Icon Only, or Show Icon and Text. Thanks for watching.